The filter operation is one of the most commonly used stream methods, yet many developers misunderstand what it actually returns. Let's break it down. Filter takes a stream of elements and returns a new stream containing only the elements that match a given condition. Think of it like a bouncer at a club, only letting through elements that pass the test. The original stream stays unchanged, and you get back a filtered version as a brand new stream. This is crucial because streams are immutable by design. The condition you provide is called a predicate, which is a functional interface that takes an element and returns true or false. If the predicate returns true, the element passes through. If false, it's excluded from the resulting stream. You can use lambda expressions or method references to create predicates cleanly. Here's what makes filter powerful. It's an intermediate operation, meaning it's lazy. Filter doesn't execute immediately. Instead, it waits until you call a terminal operation like collect or for each. This laziness allows Java to optimize the entire pipeline. Also, since filter returns a stream, you can chain multiple filters or other operations together fluently. Let's see it in action. Say you have a list of numbers and want only those greater than 5. You create a stream, call filter with the condition n greater than 5, then collect the results into a new list. The original list remains untouched. You can also filter objects, like getting users older than 18 by filtering on user.getAge. Clean, readable, and functional. To sum up, filter creates a new stream with only matching elements using a predicate, and it's a lazy intermediate operation that never modifies the original data. Master this, and you'll write cleaner Java code. Thanks for watching. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.